Welcome back to the Knowledge Hub podcast. Here's a number that should make you sit up. The recommendation engine market is about to grow from $10.5 billion this year to $131 billion by 2033. That's not hype. That's businesses figuring out that helping people find what they want is worth real money. So, what's actually driving this? It's pretty simple. When you have too many choices, people freeze. They scroll, they filter, they leave. A good AI recommendation engine fixes that. It watches how someone browses, what they click, what they buy, and then it predicts what they'll want next. Not in a creepy way, in a, hey, you might actually need this way. And the results are striking. McKinsey found that fast growing companies pull in 40% more revenue from personalization than their slower competitors. Netflix says 80% of what people watch comes from recommendations. YouTube, 70% of watch time. Amazon estimates $10 billion a year in extra sales from their system. These aren't marginal gains. They're the difference between a user who finds value fast and one who bounces. Here's what makes it work. Most systems blend two approaches. Collaborative filtering learns from patterns across thousands of users. If people with similar behavior bought the same thing, that's a signal. Content-based filtering looks at the item itself, category, style, price, compatibility, and matches it to what you've shown interest in before. Put them together, add a little context like time of day or what's in stock, and you've got something that feels smart without being invasive. The interesting part is this isn't just for tech giants anymore. If you're running an e-commerce site with a big catalog, a media platform with thousands of titles, or even a SaaS product where users get lost in features, a recommendation layer can shorten the path from I'm looking to I found it. That means higher conversion without buying more ads, bigger orders because cross-sells actually make sense, lower churn because people hit value faster. And in 2026, the bar is rising. Teams are layering in large language models so recommendations can respond to natural language queries. They're using reinforcement learning, so the system keeps testing and learning. Instead of going stale, they're making it work across mobile, web, email, and chat, so the experience stays consistent. But here's the thing, none of this works if your data is a mess. You need clean event tracking, a usable catalog, stable user IDs, and a way to test changes safely. The algorithm is only as good as the signals you feed it. If discovery is a bottleneck in your product, if users are scrolling past what they need, or if your merchandising team can't keep up, it's time to stop thinking of recommendations as a nice to have. They're infrastructure now, and the companies that build them well are the ones turning browsers into buyers and one-time users into regulars. Until next time, keep building smart.